Okay. This video, I would like to guide you how to write the Hiragana character. We will start it with the vowel sound R, E, U, A, O. So the first one, the important to learn Japanese, that we have to know how to write in the correct way, in the right way. If we write in the right way, it's very easy for us to write a beautiful character, and it's very easy for us to remember too. So let's get start with the first vowel, R. Can you see that? Okay. We'll start with the first horizontal stalk. Like this. Can you see that? One more time. One more time. It means okay. And the second E. First stroke we will like this. We will curve at the end, and this one will like this. E. The second one. E. Okay, how? And then we write faster. E. One more time. E. E. As you can see, R, E, U, A, O. E. And the third one, the third character, the third vowel is U. The first one is struck like this, and the second, U. That's right. One more time, U. Or we can write like this. It's the same. It's the same. It is wrong way, huh? It look like a ra, right? So we couldn't roll like this. We have to roll like this. This one. Okay. And we can see that the first start of the line column didn't have to be on the line like this. It will be better. So with this one is not good. It's not good. You can see it's not good. It had to be like this. See? It's on the straight line, right? That E. And therefore we have to be done this one. Done, 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 and this one a which we will write to be like this. A. A. Or we can write this. A. One more time. A. It's okay. It's all right. Hold on. One more time. I often write like this. Yeah. Okay, we finish this one. And the last sentence is oh. We had to stay focused that it very look like the same with R. And this is O. How? Okay, let me write for you how to write O. And you can see that O. This one O. The first start is the same, right? And then we straight like this, but we cover like this. We see O. You can see O. One more time. O. It's a little bit different with A. R. We have to write like this R. The second R. It is the first stroke of O. The second have to R like this, but the second of O have to be like this, right? So the third second of R is like this, but the O, the second lesson like this. As you can see, it's very different. It means the first stroke. Hold on. The first stroke. This one, the first stroke will be like this, right? But the first stroke of R will be like this. As you can see, I will write again one R and E. This one. And on this one is O. Okay, the first stroke is the same. The same, right? The second stroke will be like this. As you can see that this is you can see the arrow like this, right? But the arrow of O will be like this. So we will write yes, that's right. And the R will be right. That's finished. But the O we have to be right one more. Oh, okay. Are you clear? Now I write one more time about O. 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 Oh, okay, right. One more time about a e u e o. E u e o. A e u e o. Okay, bye bye. Please subscribe my channel Dinole. Thank you. Bye bye.